Well, good morning and happy Easter to everybody. I am going to do just some plain canned green beans, but I didn't want them to taste canned. I've done a couple of videos, but never done one just directly on how to do your green beans. And I take I always buy my Allen's green beans, the Allens. They're from South Carolina, you can get them, but they're just a southern, good, flat Italian green bean. Always buy them if you're gonna want a garden-like freshness of beans. And this recipe, you can hardly tell the difference than being in the garden. So first what I do, short video today, is I take my butter, dollop it in my pan. Then I'm going to take I have my bowl of garden onions. I had them on ice so we can put them on the table. But I'm going to use some of them here this morning in my green beans. I just take the little root system off. If you want to be if you want to be a farmer, plant those and you can get some fresh onions. I'm not that energetic anymore. And we'll just run our butter to get up. Let's hurry up and get our onions. I'm just going to chop them. Slice them to where they're green and all of it. You want it all. I hope y'all are going to have a good Easter today. Raining like cats and dogs. Tornadoes all night. But we made it. I got my big Picolas cutting board. I love these cutting boards. You can get them off of Amazon. They may still be on sale. You can see that P-I-K-L-O-H-A-S, Picolas. They sent them to me and I really like these cutting boards. I like it because you've got your main cutting board, and then you've got your small, and then I've got some mats that go on this for if I want to cut fish or anything like that. Then I don't have to get it down in my wood. Now you see those, we're just kind of squashed those. If you're buying these garden fresh, I'm not going to put garlic or anything in there. I'm just going to put salt and pepper. And I'll probably do it again, but I just always put it in just so I don't forget the whole thing. Yeah, those onions are starting to come apart. That's what you want. That'll give you good. Now, you take your green beans, juice and all. That juice is your friend. Put them in your pot. Put all your green beans down in that pot. You want that juiced in there. Get it up to a boil, and you want it to become kind of syrupy like. Now you'll just stir them and get that kind of good and mixed up there. Now that won't have that old canned funny taste once you get through these. People think they come out of the garden. You can't tell the difference. If you can, it's very minute. Then when we used to can them on the farm in the glass, these mason jars, So okay, we'll get that to boiling down, and then I'll come back and show y'all what's going on. Okay, this is where we'll get a little teaspoon and just let that cool off because they're still boiling. That's when you know if you need more salt, which we do, of course. So we'll just... It's not pouring out very much, so don't think it's a lot of salt. It's not. It's just that little old-timey shaker just puts out. Now the pepper, I pepper it pretty good because I like pepper. See, that's got a good ways to go because, see there's a bean stalk in there. Never know nowadays, but bean stalks have always been in, whether it's home goods or home canned or whatever. We're just going to let them boil down until there's nothing but, I call it bean syrup, because that's what makes your beans so good. Okay, I was trying to cut the cheesecake to transport for Easter, and I kind of forgotten. I thought, oh my, I've got to finish my video up for my green beans. Now y'all see how those green beans have just about all that gone out of them. Well, that's the way you want them. Now these can be just turned off and just let them sit there. Now you can put bacon in them when you start or whatever, but all I did today was the butter, salt and pepper, and the Allen's green beans. And that's what's going to be good. That's good with cornbread. That's good with for your Easter lunch. It's good anytime. So we're gonna go, and I thought there's another little stem. See those little baby stems? You have to pick them out. I just wanted to show y'all how to do green beans that nobody will know wasn't from the garden. Now, y'all have a good Easter. We'll talk to you real soon. We're trying to get things updated, trying to get our health in better order, and we'll be back. Wish y'all was here to have some green beans and cheesecake. I don't think that'd be too good together, but that's all I can think to say. We love you. Bye-bye. Happy Easter.